I gave you my heart.
But the palette I've got today is this palette. My sister got me this palette for Christmas, what just passed. And this is what it looks like. It does look more neutral, I would say. But I'm going to do a purple look. So none of the eyeshadows have names. So I'm just going to like show you the brush. So this is the first colour. It's like a purple. Well, it is purple. I badly just want to like wipe it like normal, but it's a challenge. So I think that's the best I can do with that eye. I'm going to use this glitter, just kind of the same colour as the eyeshadow. I just want it to all blend in together. So I just touched up this one a bit because that one did not turn out right. But this is what it looks like now. It's definitely the eyeshadow and the lipstick that I struggle with the most. That's why I did not want to show you the base makeup. And on top of, you can see the eyeshadow more when it's bright. But now the only thing I do have for my face makeup is this concealer. I really recommend this concealer. I love it. I can't link the eyeshadow palette because I don't know what it's called, but I will link the mascara I'm using and this concealer down below. And I'm using the same beauty blender I did on the last video of this. This is not working out this time. Nearly, nearly. Why is it not gripping properly today? This is worse than last time. If I proper zoom in, you can see that it's not blended properly. There. But from far back, it's still horrible. Oh, and I've still got my chin. It's because it dries out really quickly. And then I can't really... blend it properly. So that's the look. In the mirror, I look like I just have not blended it properly. And I look very tanned under there and then paler in most other places, especially on my forehead. Now I'm going to go on to the mascara. This is the mascara I have. I pretty much self-promote them without getting paid, even though I don't get paid for it. But like, Too Faced, if you ever want to give me a free makeup product, I wouldn't say no. I love Too Faced. I really love this mascara. I have not tried the waterproof one yet, but I really recommend this one. If you have not seen the last video, I only uploaded it a couple of days ago. I'll link it in the description, but last time this was quite easy, but I did not do the bottom lashes. But I just want to do this again in like colourful and to show you every day is different with my hand. But let's get on to doing this. Oh, that's what I mean. Where's it? Oh my god, no. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but I just poked myself in the eye. So that's that eye done with injury. That is the eyeshadow done with a bit of touch. So the last and final thing is the lipstick. I go on and on about this lipstick so much. We're gonna leave it for now. It's reality. Don't know why I'm whispering. But this is by Maybelline. I go on and on about it on my video. I love it, but I've never applied it with my left hand. I was thinking that was going so well. Cool. Reality. Why? So this is the final look. I've got a bit of mascara on my cheek, a bit of unblended blusher, a bit of lipstick. The eyeshadow is probably the best out of all of this, but this was definitely worse than the last one. My hand probably just does not want to apply makeup today, or you can just notice it more that I struggle. I don't know, but if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what other types of videos you want me to do about my disability, or just like fun things that are challenges that I can do with my left weak side / left side hemiplegia that I've got. So let me know what challenges I can do with this hand. And I'll see you next time. Bye!